So here's how to fix. We've sent the code to the Telegram app on your other device message. So when you're logging into Telegram, if Telegram detects that it's running on your other devices, for example, PC or other phones, it will try to send you a code there in a message from Telegram bot. You'll receive it. Now, if you do not have access to those devices where Telegram is already open, you can simply scroll all the way down and you will see an option to receive the code via SMS instead. And you should click on that to receive the code on your mobile SMS. You can also try to log out from any devices where you have Telegram is open to fix that issue. And if none of those options work, you can try to reinstall Telegram and potentially use a different phone number, and that should fix the problem. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.